Gem Hawks here with an unboxing for you. This is the magical mystery bead box from my friends at Jessie James Beads for June 2025. I haven't broken the seal yet, so let's dive on in and see what lurks inside. Let's open this up. Ooh. Welcome to the Southern Shores, June 2025. Sun, surf and beads. That's cool. I like the look of that. Let's just tuck that over here. Wow, that is some feisty colour combinations there. If you take a look at the colour wheel, you can see some direct opposites here, and that will work beautifully. That's Southern Shores. We've got Sun Drench. Let's flip that over. Oh, these are cool. You could very definitely add some teeny tiny beads onto that like a frame. Those are lovely. Who's this? Oh, those are so cute. Oh my goodness. They're adorable. That's sophisticated. I see what you did there. Then we've got a beautiful colour combination here. Again, you've got sunshine, white coral sand, and beautiful, beautiful blue oceans. That's absolutely glorious. There's fabric combinations in there as well. These look like slices. Heshy beads, feeling salty. How gorgeous is that? They look like they might be a little bit of a natural stone there. Gorgeous. Oh, I do like a frosted glass bead. High tides and good vibes. These are stunning. I haven't seen anything like this in forever. Beautiful colour graduation on the strands there. Really lovely. Oh, shell, yes. Let's flip. Ah, these are glorious. Golden enhanced shells. So pretty. Oh, this looks like a me type of collection. All antique gold metallics. Sunrise, sunburn, sunset, repeat. Love those very, very much. And how beautiful is that colour with the orange that we're seeing in this fabulous box. Oh, no, that's a gorgeous chain. Beach Bonfire, this is called. So enamel and a bright, shiny gold. Really lovely chain there. Let's pop the beautiful box out of the way and take a look at our bounty. So I've got two chains. I've got this individually rosary linked chain. I've got this huge enamel chain. That's so on trend right now. I've got metallics. I've got shells. I've got gemstone heshies. I've got this absolutely fantastic, beautiful colour combination strand. We've got these frosty beads. We've got a huge blend there with those Southern Shores inspired colours. We've got these fabulous sophisticated drop beads. And we've got some metallic frames to work with as well. Scoop all of that bounty into the middle. Welcome to the Southern Shores, June 2025. And that's the magical mystery bead box from Jessie James Beads.